Learning, powered by Elegant Central Education and Research Center.
Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home, isn't it? Yes, very good. Today we learn about emotions. What do you mean by emotion? An emotion is a person's inner feeling. This means he expresses his feelings. Let's sing a song. When I am happy, I will smile. I will smile. When I am happy, I will clap. I will clap. When I am happy, I will jump. I will jump. When I am happy, I will dance. I will dance. Did you enjoy the song? Okay, very good. When I am feeling happy, I have a big smile on my face. Look at this picture. She has a big smile. When I am feeling happy, I feel like I am full of energy. When I am feeling happy, I want to jump for joy. When I am feeling happy, I can laugh out loud like ha ha ha. When I am feeling happy, I can clap my hands. When I am feeling happy, I can share my happiness with others. Now, show your happy face. Yes, very good. Let's go to the next emotion. When I am feeling sad, my smile disappears. I want to stay in bed. I want to cry. I can talk about my sadness with my friend. I can listen to my favorite music. I can stay with my family quietly. Now, show me your sad face. Okay, let's see the next emotion. When I am feeling angry, I want to stomp my feet. I want to scream and yell. I feel like I am going to explode. I can take deep breath. I can tell someone who cares about me. I can do something I really like to do. Now show me your angry face. Oh! Suppose your dad gives you a surprise gift. Then what would be your emotion? You will be so excited to see the gift. Don't you? Yeah. When I am feeling excited, I cannot keep calm. I feel like my heart is racing. Tuck, 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 tuck. I cannot stop laughing like ha ha ha. I can take a deep breath and calm down. I can jump for joy. I can share my excitement with others. Now show me your excited face. Oh wow. Okay children, study well. Keep your smile always. Thank you.
Please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and also enable the bell button to get the recent notifications.